Good morning, people. Today I am on a tour. I'm going to Chiang Rai. I'm going to visit a few temples as well. I'm going to take a boat later on today. So let me show you what I'm going to do today. First, we just stopped on the road with the tour. I'm gonna get some breakfast. Let's go for the day. Currently at the Blue Temple right now. What I can say about the tour is it feels very rushed. I was actually very resentful with kind of taking tour because I know how like on the quick go you have to do it, and that was exactly what this tour is about, which I'm not really a big fan of it. plus all the main location. When we arrived, it was already full of tourists.
I don't wanna know. I've been afraid of going insane. Oh, I've been afraid I'll never be on a stage now, doing my thing. I've been afraid I'll never feel okay.